क्लाउड फॉरेस्ट में एक झरना था, वो बहुत ठंडा था, तो हम लोग ने वहाँ पे रोमांटिक सीन किया था।
We wanted to go somewhere where my kids and we together would enjoy. We had earlier traveled with AirHop and it was a very very good experience for us. So we again went to AirHop. We approached Mr. Rajesh Agrawal for it. We had a meeting with him and we asked him which place rather we should go. So he suggested that we should go to Singapore because that would be a wonderful place for us to enjoy with the
For kids
kids.
also.
For kids and for us also. There are many places over there which everybody would enjoy. I think around last November we had gone, November 2016, and we had gone to him around 2016 August. He told us that at that particular time we had got a very nice deal for the airfare also to Singapore, and it was a very good experience for us. So many places we visited over there. I think first day
Marina Bay.
yeah, we went to Marina Bay Hotel. That was an excellent hotel, and the selection of the hotels done by AirHop was very good. Hotel was absolutely, what you should say, wonderful, superb.
It's
It
a
had-
heritage property.
Yeah.
First day we went to Marina Bay. After that, Jurong Bird Park, Night Safari, and Sentosa. Whole experience is very.
मुझे तो स्विमिंग पूल में सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आया। तुझे क्या आया रजत?
यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज में जो रोलर कोस्टर हुआ था।
अरे नाइट सफारी भूल गया विदित? नाइट सफारी में विदित को स्टेज पे बुलाया था, है ना? और क्या किया था?
वो टीचर ने मैंने हाथ में एक वो रखा था फ्रूट, उसको पहचाना था कौन सा हाथ में।
Wow, it was a very good experience for you, है ना?
यस।
और हमने सेंटोसा में सी एक्वेरियम देखा।
हाँ।
और हमने साइंस फिक्शन म्यूजियम भी गए, वहाँ पे हमने फ्यूचर देखा, वहाँ पे सारे फ्यूचर की चीज़ें थी।
हाँ, फ्यूचरिस्टिक वर्ल्ड था वहाँ पर।
And there was also a transformer ride.
ट्रांसफॉर्मर राइड, हाँ,
And
in the Jurong Bird Park we take many photos, and we saw first time the penguin there, and I hold the ring in my hand and the birds were going inside from them.
in Cloud Forest, we had-
in क्लाउड फॉरेस्ट में एक झरना था, वो बहुत ठंडा था, तो हम लोग ने वहाँ पे रोमांटिक सीन किया था।
नहीं, हमने उधर शाहरुख खान का पोस्ट दिया था टोटा के।
And in the Clarky, we'd seen the silent disco there. The silent disco all were dancing
And we had
there.
taken a night river cruise over there, which was very beautiful. All the lights of Singapore were visible from there, and it was a stunning view from there. Sentosa, we had been to many places. Madame Tussauds and
Times of View.
Times of Wings. That was a
Superb.
wonderful show. Yeah, also the taxi services which we got over there in Singapore were wonderful.
And
The person who took us and he was with us till the last of the tour. He dropped us. He picked us up from the airport. He dropped us back to the airport, and all through the tour he was with us. And he was a very nice person. I would suggest people that you should definitely, whenever you are planning for a tour, you should go 3-4 months in advance to the tour planner. And AirHop is the best for it. You should go, and they will make the best tour for you. And they'll suggest the best place you should go, and they'll make it absolutely affordable for you. Perfect itinerary planning for you also. You'll make good memories out there. So it is total, everything has been provided by AirHop. They take care of everything about your tour. So you've got nothing to worry about, and just go and relax and have a wonderful tour.